Hey, thanks for watching another one. We're going to talk about sales tax, but first, this is my son, Cooper.
This is my dad, JJ the CPA.
Sales tax. Now wait, you want to hear this one, okay? So when you're at the store and, Cooper, you see something and it says right on it, the little sticker, $4.99. When you go up to the cashier, does that cost $4.99?
No, it does not.
It doesn't. What is going on there?
It's being taxed.
It's being taxed. So what the heck is sales tax? I don't know that we really care. We're going to tell you. But what's sales tax? It's more money being added on to what it is that you actually have to pay. So when you go and you see $4.99, how much more do you think you would have to pay?
If it's $4.99, obviously it depends on where you live, but I would think around 75 cents to $1.
So it could be, that'd be high. That might be in another country.
Okay.
See, and this is why we're talking about this. And it would typically be another 5 to 10%. Well, what does that mean? Well, it's a little bit more. Think of it that way, okay? It'd be good to go, well, maybe I should have an extra $1, an extra 75 cents. But in essence, instead of worrying too much about what the percentage is, what you need to realize is that when you go up, you're going to need more than $4.99. Here where we live in Oklahoma, you might need $4.99 plus maybe another 45 cents, 40 cents, okay? So the key, though, is that when you're looking at how much money's in your hand and you're going to the cashier and you see that it's $4.99, you're going to need a little bit more. The other aspect is, do you know what sales tax goes for?
It goes with things around your city.
Yeah.
Stoplights or fixing roads or government buildings.
Yeah. So sales tax goes to stuff that we're using when you're driving around and the lights and things like that. And the point in knowing that is that sales tax is charged on pretty much everything that you're spending money on. So also, if you're looking to have your parents buy something for you and you're looking at the tag and you say, hey, Dad, will you buy this for me? It's only $50. Knowing something's about 10%, that'd be on the high side. Well, then how much do I probably really need if I'm getting ready to spend $50 on something for you?
55.
Yeah, so meaning about 55 bucks.
Yeah.
So know this, when you're thinking ahead of what you want to spend your money on, your allowance, if you're asking somebody to charge something on a credit card or you see somebody spending something, know this, in essence, whatever you see that it's going to cost, when you get to the cashier, it's going to cost a little bit more. So be prepared and make sure that you have enough money to cover those costs. Yeah. Do kids have to pay sales tax?
They do have to pay sales tax.
They do have to pay sales tax. Because anybody buying anything, typically, you have to pay a little bit more for this tax. All right, hey, we got one more, and we're going to talk about should you spend money on your boyfriend or girlfriend? We'll see you in the next episode.